Good afternoon, explorers. We're somewhere different today. We're in the hardest park to get into right now, which is Disney's Hollywood Studios. As you can see, hat's on again today. Mask is covering my face. I'm in active Floridian winter wear because we're at 54 degrees. With the wind chill, it feels like 50. So it's a little chilly for us Floridians today. But we are here to kind of do everything. So we're going to have a couple of videos that are going to come out of this today. From ride videos to cavalcades to food. So stay tuned for all those videos as they're coming out. We've got some exciting things coming out this week from Magic Kingdom, from Animal Kingdom, Epcot. There's tons of footage coming out this week. But with that, enough yakking. Let's go do some exploring. Today's going to be a great day. We're going to have lots of fun. So come on, let's go. You know, if you look around and just pay attention sometimes to what the cast members are doing, you know what's coming next. So Cavalcade's coming shortly. I just watched cast members right in front of Crossroads of the World kind of huddle, look down the street, look up both ways. They're not looking to cross the road. They're looking to see how many people are on the road. They're getting ready to do a cavalcade. So let's go watch the cavalcade. Well, cavalcade number 1 at Hollywood Studios. And what a great way to start it off. Got Mickey and the gang, Chip and Dale. That was fantastic. Come on, Mr. Incredible. No, nothing. Nothing there. Let's try and get Sully. Edna. Sully's not even looking. There we go. Nobody's acting up today. To infinity and beyond. All right, well, we grabbed that cavalcade. That's one of the longer ones. Spectacular cavalcade. Love Pixar cavalcade. Let's go jump in here. We've been in the front though almost the whole time. Look at the crowd level. Wow, look at that crowd level. Those are some crowd levels right there, kids. Another cavalcade walk. I just did this yesterday. Great crowd levels. Not for riding rides. You know, during the first couple of weeks back in the park, it was a little weird. There wasn't anyone here. So it's kind of a little bit more normal to see everybody coming back. Now, don't get me wrong. Wish we still had fast passes. Fast pass would be great. Cast members getting into it. Cast members, love them. Look at the way these kids get into this. This is awesome. Look at that little girl. She's so happy right now. You ever want to just put a smile on your face? Get behind a Disney cavalcade. Don't watch the cavalcade, watch the people. You know, and I'm going to tell you something. This is the first cavalcade I've ever walked with in Hollywood Studios. I've never done it here before. Look at the lines. This is fantastic. And I said it yesterday. This is the greatest thing in the world if you want to walk somewhere fast. They block, you walk. So crowd levels are definitely back up. There's no doubt about it. The 5 major rides in Hollywood Studios, averaging 70 minutes right now. So we're gonna go give Slinky Dog Dash a go. Line starts in front of Little Mermaid. For those of you familiar with the park, that's nuts. Let's go get in line. Okay, so I was told it was in front of Little Mermaid. Just past Little Mermaid. Coming up on Walt Disney Presents. If you haven't been in there, that's probably something I'm going to shoot. Possibly today. Love Walt Disney Presents, by the way. Fantastic place to go. Learn about the parks. And what's really cool is there's a movie theater back in the back. Usually playing what's coming next. So, one man's dream is playing. Walt Disney. By the way, last week, or a couple days ago, happy birthday, Walt. Can you imagine what he would think of the parks today? I mean, look at the detail. It's just ridiculous. I mean, all the way down to the instructions on how to put it together. Elmer's glue. The army guy. Such a fun queue. And normally we go on dark rides and you guys can't see anything. Not today. Today we're getting on the fun ride. Going to do a little Slinky Dog Dash. So you gotta love the pre-COVID video where it tells you about loading. 2 riders per row. Pack that train full. All seats will be filled. Not today.
Welcome to Slinky Dog Dash.
Wow, they have everything
I'm
totally
Slinky Dog.
plexiglassed
Now,
off.
For your safety, remember to stay seated with all your parts and pieces, hands, arms, feet, legs, springs, and claws inside the vehicle. And keep an eye on your little toys. Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog Dash. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Here we go. Slinky Dog Dash, hold on. So here's a good laugh for everybody. I told you I do stupid things all the time. I'm pretty sure I just shot Slinky Dog in slow motion. I wonder if that's ever been done. So we're going to find out as soon as we go to home to edit. This ought to be interesting. 2 hours in line, and I screwed up the video. Love it. It's about right, too. Anyway, it's getting cold. Hat's back on. Sun's going down. That was a blast. I haven't ridden Slinky Dog in forever. My daughter and I had a great time. But now it's time. Well, I almost just said now it's time to pay the price. Sorry, Tim Tracker. Now it's time for us to go home, get warm, and eat some scrumdiddlyumptious food. Bonus points for anybody who knows the scrumdiddlyumptious reference. Well, for all the good little boys and girls out there, it looks like I've been good, because here comes cavalcade number 3. It's Santa Claus. Oops, sorry about that.
My goodness, that smile. Merry Christmas, my friend. So good to see everyone out here. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
All right. Well, that got us all 3 cavalcades. Spectacular. But anyway, that was a great way to wrap up the video, and we're now walking out of Hollywood Studios. The grand hike back to the car, because they don't have tram service anymore. This is one of my favorite shops right here. They have some of the most,
They have the Bigfoot figures.
like,
Really? No, he doesn't have a Bigfoot.
they have some of like the most obscure things. Like things you, I mean, you see all these ears inside the park, but it's like the Mickey hands, the Slinky Dog. All the cool stuff, and no line. And by the way, yesterday I mentioned I heard a conversation. Fanny packs are coming back. Fanny packs are making a comeback. From Hollywood Studios, the Explorer family saying, have a nice night. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.